In the beginning, you had said we can see many health issues. So, what are the strokes you can
I have
see?
not done a study, but I have tried to do the study with my students. I think if Pooja is here, Pooja may know. I don't remember the name of the student who were doing this on diabetic patients. That how the hand in the diabetic patients. So we need
Okay.
to see the sample collection is very hard in this. So if we have the quite a large sample of people who are suffering from high blood pressure. Now, how much high blood pressure it is? Over 150 or over 130, over 140, over 180. How much you are taking and how many samples you have? It has to be done on large sample. Then the statistics will show some of the significant values. Otherwise, in a small sample, it will not show any significant value. But definitely, because these ailments or these sickness have the effect on your mind, so your writing will definitely be affected.
So how many there are, how to improve the handwriting? It means what are the effective
You
way?
want to improve? I will say it is very difficult now.
No,
Say
not
how much is your age right now?
not in my case, but for my child or in the
Yeah, it can be improved. It can be improved easily.
how how.
Oh, you need to use a cursive writing book. Ask him to do more cursive writing. Okay, and when you identify him writing with more pressure, try to replace the writing instrument so he can put less pressure, and that will become his habit. So that's why people used to ask us to write with the pencils when we were very young, not with the pens.
But so many times with the pencil, so he uses a lot of pressure because he wants a very dark, or sometimes he writes
No,
slowly. So
if the assignment is like that, then you cannot say if the assignment, if the work is like that.
yeah,
But try to use the cursive handwriting books. Okay, when the person moves his handwriting slowly in that way, and when he learns, the habits also becomes like that according to graphotherapy. Simply, so he become patience. He becomes a good listener, and he knows how to write with not very heavy pressure, with optimum pressure.
and which
Okay,
one
so
is better? Yeah, which language? Hindi or English? Which one is more better to improve the handwriting faster?
say that depends on you. I can't comment on this. I think in both the cases, so whatever he will learn, handwriting is a characteristic, is a motor skill, so it will be applicable to both. Even if he is learning in English, the handwriting will be good in Hindi as well, because the words are embedded, the letters are embedded deep in the mind. The only the formation has to be changed, so it will be changed. The pressure will change, the slant will change automatically for
It,
both the writings.
okay. Can you say to write Hindi is more difficult or it's more like hard work?
Pardon? Pardon?
Write in Hindi, it requires more work or more pressure than the English. It means English is easier to write.
I think yes, writing Hindi is more difficult because right now we don't write Hindi a lot. So if I am writing Hindi, I sometimes even say forgets the notations also. So for a child, say because in current era, in the current scenario, writing Hindi is quite difficult.